Alright, here we go. Box number 7. So far, not too bad. Haven't seen any big autos. I mean, the dual auto is pretty nice since it's a refractor number to 25. But I always like to see the actual rookie card autographs in this product because those are the ones that usually bring the good value. Also, hoping to get a few patches in the 5-case break. Here we go. LeSean McCoy, throwback thingy. Brandon Marshall. And this Brandon Marshall, just in case anyone's wondering, will go to the Broncos because he is pictured in the Broncos. Not that any Dolphin fans are really going to care if they don't have that, but it's a Sam Bradford and a Sue rookie card in that one. So we've hit, I think, 4 Bradfords already, 2 Tebows, so that's not bad. Base in that one. Morgan Burnett rookie, out for the year, unfortunately. Emmanuel Sanders. So the Steelers returns their kicks, but he got hurt, so now Antonio Brown's returning their kicks. Sanders has got some potential then. Base in that one. Base in that one. Golden Tate. That's my boy. Golden Tate rookie card. Fellow Notre Damer. Shouldn't say fellow, I didn't go there. Chad Ochocinco refractor. Charles Scott refractor. Got traded before he ever played for the Eagles. Not sure if that's a good or a bad thing, to be perfectly honest with you. Here's a blue refractor. Once again, not a rookie, unfortunately. Ray Rice. Good player. Off to a little bit of a struggle this year, but still want to see those rooks in the refractors. There's a refractor of Matt Ryan. Falcons are off to a real good start. A Frank Gore refractor in this one. 49ers not off to such a good start. But that division's weak. Still plenty of time. There's a Tim Tebow and a Demaryius Thomas rookie in that one. And a Joe Montana throwback. Emmanuel Sanders Bowman Chrome rookie. Still looking for our autograph. Base in that one. Jermaine Gresham Bowman Chrome. I think I spoke too soon about only the good players having Bowman Chromes. Last few haven't been quite as good as the first ones. It's a Dez Bryant rookie. Kind of got excited, thought maybe it was an autograph. Sadly not. Jimmy Clausen rookie. And Jason Witten refractor. 5 packs left. The base in that one. A Steve Smith Panthers refractor. Alright, getting down to the nitty gritty. There's our autograph. Armani Edwards, Panthers receiver. Hopefully he'll see some playing time shortly with all their injuries and lack of depth. Base in that one. And last pack. Have a Troy Polamalu refractor. Steelers. Okay. on to box number 8. Alright, I want to see a really good autograph or a nice refractor, something really nice out of this one. It's been a little bit of a slow start. Here we go. Base in that one. Is a Patrick Robinson rookie refractor, Saints #1 pick. Base. Base. Alrighty. Marty Gilliard rookie card. There's a refractor of Jared Odrick, a defensive tackle for the Dolphins. Not really sure who that is, to be perfectly honest with you. There's base in that one. There's a Carlos Dunlop, Bengals rookie card receiver or refractor. There's a dual, kind of cool. Tebow and Elway, kind of a cool card. Once again, it'd be much cooler if it were autographed. And there's also a Ryan Matthews rookie in that pack. There's a Tim Tebow Bowman Chrome rookie. That's the first one Tebow of that we've seen. Like I said, those might have some extra value this year because they're definitely not super easy to get. There's a black refractor autograph. Andre Roberts, punt returner for the Cardinals. Not terrible, but certainly could have been better. Alrighty. It's an Anthony Dixon refractor. Guy definitely has some potential. Scored a touchdown in his first game. There's another Tebow rookie card. And a Brandon Marshall blue refractor. Again, need to get those refractors as the rookies, not the veterans. It's a Brett Favre refractor. Vikings. Aaron Hernandez rookie in that one. Playing really well for the Patriots. Base in that one. Base in that one. Toby Gerhart rookie. There's a Ben Tate rookie card refractor. Definitely has some potential. He's out for the year, but could be back next year with a vengeance. Base in that one. There's a Brandon Spikes refractor. Couple packs left. Tomlinson throwback. And the Tomlinson base card. It's an Andre Roberts Bowman Chrome. It's an Andre Roberts box. Cardinals fans, whoever has them, probably a little happy right now. Base in that one. And last pack of box number 8. John Beeson refractor. Linebacker for the Panthers. Okay. Box numero 9. here we go. Base in that one. Base in that one. Sorry, I'm trying to get all these organized a little bit. There's a red refractor. Brandon Marshall. Once again, we're getting the same veterans over and over in their refractors. Zach Robinson, quarterback, Patriots, refractor. Base in that one. Levi Brown, quarterback, Bills, refractor. Good old Levi. Base in that one. It's a Koa Misi refractor, Dolphins. Not sure if that's how you say his name, but that's what we'll go with. Taylor Price rookie card. Base. Base. A Riley Cooper refractor. Darren Sproles refractor. Javid Best rookie card. Damian Williams Bowman Chrome card. Haven't seen any of the Bowman Chrome autographs yet. Ryan Matthews rookie card. The Javier Arenas refractor from the Chiefs. And there's our autograph. That's not a bad one at all. Aaron Hernandez. Not bad. Playing really well for the Patriots. Has a good college following. Not a bad one at all. I'd definitely say that's the best one we've hit, minus the duel. A Felix Jones refractor. The refractors look really nice. Been a little disappointed so far that a lot of ours have been veterans. But hopefully that's not a sign of things to come. Base in that one. It's a Javid Best Bowman Chrome rookie. 2 more packs. Base and last pack, box number 9. Chris Cooley refractor. Alright, be right back with 10, 11, and 12.